Hello, I'm Police Sergeant Jason Bear, and this is another Public Safety Spotlight. Drone technology is already making a difference in Edina. Right now, our police department uses drones to help locate missing people, track suspects, and support emergency response. It's a tool that's helping improve public safety every day. Now we're exploring what's next. The city is evaluating a drone as first responder program, often called DFR. The idea is simple: strategically place drones so they can launch quickly and respond to emergency calls within seconds. That means officers can get a bird's eye view of a situation almost immediately, before they even arrive on scene. That kind of real-time awareness can help de-escalate situations, improve decision-making, and provide critical information, like where someone is, what they're doing, and whether there may be safety risks. It also helps keep our officers safer. At the same time, privacy remains a top priority. Edina's drone program has been in place since 2019, and every flight is conducted in accordance with state law. Drones are only used to respond to specific calls for service. They do not conduct random patrols. Each flight is documented and annually reported to the Minnesota Bureau of Criminal Apprehension. And any video that is collected is deleted within 7 days unless it's needed for an active investigation. When drones are traveling to their call, their cameras are pointed towards the horizon, not the ground. As part of this evaluation, the city will conduct the test with a drone manufacturer through May 18th. During that time, you may notice more drones in the air as we test and learn what this technology can do. We'll continue to share updates as this work moves forward. I'm Jason Bear, and that's today's Public Safety Spotlight. Have a good rest of the week and stay safe.